Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys my wash day routine. So basically I'm just going to be prepping my hair for a long-term protective style. So if you guys are interested in this video, please stay tuned. So right now I'm just taking down this high puff that I put in my hair about 2 weeks ago, and as you can see I'm definitely struggling with taking out this hair scrunchie. But anyways, so right now I'm just going to be making a protein mixture or protein mask for my hair. I'm going to be using 4 eggs, applicator bottle, and in that jar is aloe vera oil. If you're interested in that video, I'll go ahead and link it in the description box as well. So I'm just going to put everything into the applicator bottle because I just felt like, why put it into a bowl and then mix it in the bowl just to transfer it into an applicator bottle. So I figured this way I'll just skip a step and just put everything into a applicator bottle. So right now I'm putting in 8 tablespoons of aloe vera oil, and then I'm just going to crack the egg and also put it into the applicator bottle as well. I end up having to do this twice because the first batch wasn't enough for my hair, so I did it again. So I end up using 8 eggs and 16 tablespoons of aloe vera oil. So now I'm gonna apply this all over my hair. I'm definitely focusing at the roots first, and then I go ahead and put some on my ends, and I definitely make sure that my hair is saturated with this mask. And then from there I'm just doing my hair into I'm just working into sections. So I split my hair into 4 sections, and as you can see I'm working on the front, and then after that I'm going to wrap my hair up in some, what's it called, plastic wrap, and then I'm gonna leave it on my hair for about an hour. Now that the hour is up, I went ahead and just washed out the mask from my hair. I washed my hair with really cold water because if you wash your hair with warm water, it will cook the egg. And as you can see, I still have some cooked pieces of eggs in my hair, but it's okay because I haven't shampooed my hair yet. I'm going to be washing it very soon. So but before I wash it, I didn't get a chance to detangle my hair before I put in the mask, so that's what I'm going to do now. So in this cup I have some black tea. So I'm going to take the black tea and transfer it into a spray bottle, and then I'm going to spray it all over my hair, and then follow up with the conditioner and detangle my hair into smaller sections. And then I'm going to plait my hair because I plan on washing my hair in those plaits. I've been doing this like my last few wash days. I've been washing my hair like in plaits, and when I tell you, it saves me a whole lot of time. So the reason I like to use black tea before protective styling is because it contains a lot of caffeine, and caffeine is known to help the hair when it comes to reduce hair shedding. So that's why I like to use it before protective styling, because you know your hair sheds every day. So if I could definitely help to prevent my hair from shedding a lot while it's in a protective style, that'll be better when it comes to the takedown process. It makes sense in my head. So after I detangled my hair, I went ahead and washed my hair once off camera. So I'll be washing my hair for a second time. And I like to use Dr. Bronner's, I hope I'm saying the name right, Castile soap. This one is the peppermint kind. I like to use this one on my scalp just because, you know, peppermint helps to stimulate blood flow to the scalp. So I like to use this as my shampoo. As you know, you can use this soap 18 different ways. So I do also use it as a body soap, and I love it as a shampoo. And I've been using it for, I want to say, for a while now. So I definitely would recommend it. So after I finish washing my hair, I'm going to go in with SheaMoisture's Black Jamaican Castor Oil Conditioner. And I'm going to apply that all over my hair. And then I'm going to wrap my hair in a plastic bag and just leave it on for 30 minutes. So after I washed out the conditioner for my hair, I went ahead and started doing my moisturizing process. So I went ahead and did one side off camera because I didn't want this video to be super long. So as you can see, I'm trying to braid my hair as flat as possible because I plan on wearing a wig for this particular protective style. I go between wigs and Marley twists. I've been doing Marley twists for a while now, so I've decided to like switch it up a little bit and do a wig this time for my protective style. So what I'm gonna do is I'm taking down each plait and then I'm moisturizing it, doing the lock method. So first I'm going to use aloe vera juice, then I'm going to follow that up with aloe vera butter, and then I'm going to seal everything with the TGIN buttercream. So I'll go ahead and leave the video for the aloe vera juice and the aloe vera butter down in the description box. And yeah, so I'm going to do that for each section of my hair, and then once I'm done, I'm just going to start braiding my hair down. So now that my hair is all moisturized, I'm going to go ahead and start to braid my hair down. Now, y'all, I am not the best braider in the world. I can do a little something, something. So as you can see, my braids are not perfect. I'm just trying to get them as flat as possible and not put too much tension on my hair or my scalp. So, you know, and then I'm trying to do the least amount of braids as possible because I was not trying to sit up in my hair all day. So I'm just showing you guys how I braided my hair down, or showing you guys the braid pattern that I chose to do. I totally forgot how I used to braid my hair, but I think this was kind of similar to what I used to do. So I hope you guys enjoy.
what we do here is go back.
So this is the end of my wash day routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you made it all the way to the end of this video, I really appreciate you so much. I want to thank you guys so much for supporting my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye.